Let's take a really deep look. What kind of lens is this? 35mm f 1.6 is almost certainly a variation of the so-called CCTV or TV lenses for surveillance cameras. The most famous original is the Fujian 35mm f 1.6 Vision. Important. Many versions don't even have it. Just the 35mm f 1.6. They're made by dozens of factories. Risespray, Neewer, Meike-like, and no names. It's the same design, slightly repackaged. Origin story, most interesting part. Roots, CCTV system. These lenses were originally created for industrial surveillance cameras with small sensors up to 1. That is, they are not a photo lens in the classic sense, and not high-end cinema optics. The optical design is very old and simple. These lenses use a simple classic design, similar to the lenses, and are not optimized for modern sensors. Therefore, the center is sharp edges floating. There's a vignette, a coma, and nervous bokeh. This creates that very vintage effect. Why is it called a Cine lens? And honestly, it's marketing. In cheap versions, Cine means fully manual focus, a smooth aperture ring. Sometimes serrated rings for follow focus. But optically, it's not a cinema lens, unlike true Cine lenses. Is it a copy of a film lens? The short answer, no, it's not a copy of a specific model. But there's a nuance. It indirectly inherits old designs from the 1960s, 1980s. Similar ideas were used in old TV lenses, 16mm cinema lenses, simple industrial lenses. So it's more of a cheap descendant of old industrial lenses than a copy of Leica, Zeiss, etc. Why are they now sold for modern cameras? Here's the magic. It has a C-mount thread with an adapter it mounts on Sony E, Canon RF, Fujifilm X Micro 4.3. And the Chinese did it. A new body with a beautiful Cine design adapter included. Why is it popular now? You'll be surprised, but people are buying it specifically. Reasons: very cheap, dirty picture like old movies, unusual bokeh, atmospheric soft look. It's a real trend in video and art photography. Bottom line, honestly, lens, not a copy of a famous film lens. The descendant of the Fujian 35mm f 1.6 CCTV lens based on old simple optical designs, sold as Cine, but that's just marketing. My opinion. This lens isn't about quality, but about character. Ideal for atmosphere, for video, for experimentation. Bad for sharp photos for commercial use.